Meaning of emotionless.
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 Emotionless. Emotionless means to be devoid of emotion or feeling. It refers to a state of being unaffected by emotional stimuli or experiences, and often indicates a lack of empathy or understanding towards others. People who are described as emotionless may appear distant, unresponsive, or indifferent to external events or situations that might otherwise elicit strong emotions in others. They may also struggle to express their own emotions or connect with others on an emotional level. Overall, being emotionless is often seen as a negative trait, as it can impede personal relationships and social connections.